Oftentimes we get disappointed when our expectations are not met. More so when we trust someone would be something or do something and they didn't come through. It's only natural we become disappointed. You can use expectations to your advantage when you have them for yourself. Expectations help you achieve your set goals in career, relationship, and lots more. When you start having undue expectations from others, you'll be let down. We cannot control everything and make everyone act or work according to us. To be successful, do not expect anything from anyone that you are not willing to do for yourself. Here are 9 things you should stop expecting from others, starting today. 1. Stop expecting people to be perfect. Why expect perfection from someone imperfect just as yourself? If you have this mindset of expecting perfection from everyone, then you will always be disappointed and strain relationships. People will never live up to your expectations. There's nothing wrong with having high expectations for people, but understand that when they fail, they still tried. Be understanding and don't expect perfection. Discourage others from becoming perfectionists. The obsessive compulsion to have everything just right can lead to depression, anxiety, chronic diseases, and a higher risk of suicide. Give room for people to make mistakes and learn from them. 2. More respect than you afford yourself. Respect is reciprocal. It is what you give to others that you get back. Don't expect others to respect you when you don't respect yourself. Work to acknowledge your own value, knowing that you deserve not only respect but also love and understanding. True strength is in the soul and spirit. It's about having faith and trust in who you are, and a willingness to act upon it. It's important to be nice to others, but more important to be nice to yourself. When you practice self-love and self-respect, you give yourself the opportunity to be happy. When you are happy, you become a better friend, a better family member, and a better you. Never again beg anyone for the love, respect, and attention that you should be showing yourself. Respect shows in the way you carry yourself and the way you treat yourself. Others are only going to reciprocate what they notice. 3. Stop expecting them to treat you how you treat them. The golden rule says, treat others as you want to be treated. But the truth is, don't expect everyone to treat you as you treated them. And this is because we don't live in a perfect world. Until everyone becomes more conscious, we will just have to accept that people will still treat us poorly because they lack a true relationship with themselves. When you expect people to reciprocate your kindness, you'll get annoyed, disappointed, and feel betrayed. View their attitude from a compassionate stance, smile, ignore their attitude, and spend more time with those who truly value you. Then you won't feel so hurt if people don't treat you as kindly as you treat them. 4. Stop expecting people to always agree with you. We all differ in the way we do things and the way we reason. Couples, family, siblings, best friends, people in a relationship, and workmates. They all differ at some point. If you want those around you to always agree with everything you say every time you speak, your ideas, and the way you want things done, then be ready to experience a lot of disappointment. You must understand that people have their own thoughts and opinions, and expecting them to consistently agree with yours is unrealistic. So don't let the opinions of others to undermine your happiness. You don't need to live the life that other people want for you. Let your decisions be based on your own approval, rather than anyone else's. 5. Stop expecting everyone to like you. Don't ever forget your worth. You might feel unwanted and unworthy to one person, but you are priceless to another. You must understand that there will always be people that won't like you no matter what you do or how great you are. If you expect everyone to like you, you'll get hurt and disappointed. You'll get frowned at, gossiped, criticized, and disliked. Just smile, ignore them and carry on. You need to stop getting offended if someone does not like you. Sometimes people will call you names because you're different. But that's perfectly okay. The things that make you different are the things that make you unique, and the right people will love you for it. Spend more time with people who value you and know your worth. 6. Stop expecting people to drop everything for you. Of course, good friends and family will help you when you need it. But don't count on them to brush the dirt off your shoulders every time. We all have priorities, and individual priorities differ. Even if your family and friends that love you have their own internal struggles and can't carry the weight of both your problems and theirs at the moment. You need not get disappointed and feel unloved if they are not always there for you holding your hands. There are times you need to stand back up alone, but that does not say that they do not love and care for you. Try to understand their point of view. They want to help, but just can't at present. That doesn't mean they don't care, it just means you have to channel your inner warrior and fight your own battles sometimes. 7. Stop expecting them to read your mind. Those around you can't read your mind. And can't just immediately tune into what you're thinking. You have to communicate openly and honestly, making your real feelings clear. Some people have a more finely tuned intuition, while some others just can't read feelings or faces as well. You might be more sensitive and understanding of how others feel doesn't mean other people are on the same wavelength. They will never know how you feel unless you tell them. Your boss doesn't know you're hoping for a promotion because you haven't told him yet. The beautiful girl you haven't talked to because you're too shy hasn't given you her attention because you've not confessed how you feel. If you want something to change, you'll need to tell those around you what you're thinking effectively, tactful and thoughtfully, but aim for transparency at all times. 8. Stop expecting people to pay for you. Your finances are your responsibility and not others. You shouldn't expect people to pay for your entertainment, transportation fare, your bills, or even your groceries. Get in control of your money. Make a budget and stick to it. Just because all your friends go out shopping doesn't mean you have to. Differentiate between your needs and wants. If you want something, then save up for it, don't expect your friends or family to step in and get it for you. 9. Don't expect others to stay when they're ready to go. There are people who come into our lives and stay for just a moment, and there are those who come and stay forever. We'll become best friends for life. Know when you are no longer needed in people's lives and more importantly how to let go of those who no longer want to be there. It's the ones who stay, the ones who stand beside you in good times and bad times that are important in your life. And there will even be times you have to stand on your own, not a fun experience, but one that will teach you resilience and strength. Often, the happy ending is simply letting go. So don't expect everyone you meet to stay forever, and don't be sad when they leave. What do you think of these listed things you should stop expecting from others? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below as I learn just as much from you as you do from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.